So today we are going to discuss about how we can learn English language and how we can improve our English language with the help of social media. And with the help of social media, today I am able to speak English language. Today I am able to record this video in front of this camera I'm speaking. And because of the social media, I made myself, a little bit knowledgeable as well. Because before social media, I didn't know how to speak and how to understand English language, and so many things I learned with the help of social media, right? So you know what, I just want to say that it is up to us how we are using the thing, how we are using the whatever we have. Okay, any equipment, any type of anything we have, how we are using it is our perspective, it is our mentality, right? So you know what, how you can improve your English language with the help of social media, right? So first of all, I would like to say that uh, you might be not able to understand English language initially and very fast way, right? You will be thinking like, I don't know what the person is saying in English language, and he's just speaking so fast and I am unable to understand. So it happens, it used to be happen with me when I used to be a beginner. Just right now I'm stuck in some of the things, little bit I'm stuck in. You know why? Because of not speaking so much. That is why I'm stuck. So let me come to the topic that when I used to be a beginner, I used to watch a lot of videos on YouTube. I used to watch a lot of videos on YouTube, and I used to think about that when the time will come when I will be able to understand English language and I will be able to speak. I don't know when the time will come. When I used to just think in my mind that how the time will, would be when I will have knowledge about English language, and I will be speaking English language in a fast way, like those people were speaking, like these people are speaking. Okay, so I used to think these kind of things in my mind. So after just watching and keep watching, every single day I used to watch, I was very interested to learn English language, and that is why I today I am able to speak, and that is why I learned. So if you want to learn English language with the help of social media, but you might be procrastinating, you might be distracting by social media. Whenever you used to use your phone, you might be going to see the view of your status, whatever you put, whatever you just posted there, how many likes I got, how many comments I got, and what someone said to me. These kind of things, we just distract by these kind of things. So it should not be there. If you want to learn anything in your life, if you want to learn English language and whatever language you want to learn, you should have a burning desire. Okay, everyone should have a burning desire to learn anything. If we have a burning desire, no one can disturb us, no one can stop us. Okay, when we have burning desire. Okay, because burning desire is the weapon we have by which we can do anything in our life. But it doesn't come very often. It comes when someone criticizes you, it comes when you feel disheartened, it comes when you feel like no one is caring about me and I am alone in this world, and I don't know anything. I'm very upset in this world. No one talks to me, no one thinks about me, no one just cares about me. And it comes inside of you, and it just makes you work upon yourself. And when you will start working upon yourself, then you will know about the real version, the best version of you, right? So my friend, we were talking about the social media. Social media has two aspect, everything has a two aspect. First one is good, and second one is wrong. Okay, bad we can say. So it is up to us. If the person has a desire to learn something, so no any distraction can disturb him. No, any type of a distraction and problem can disturb him, right? If someone has a burning desire to learn anything. So uh, so why, when it comes, I told you about it. Okay, so first of all, try to know uh, why which you are feeling something unhappy, you are feeling like you are upset about this thing, and you should change this thing. If the person is not talking to you, just do not go after him. just make yourself able to able to do something big in your life, so that the not only the people, not only the person, but all the community, all the society, wish to talk you, right? This thing you should have. I mean, we are very common person. We do not have a very big thought, and we are very small thinker person, right? In in village area, we do not think something big in our life, right? So we should just think about ourselves. Like if someone is not speaking to you, just work upon yourself, right? It means that you need to work upon yourself. If someone is not speaking, it means you have any type of flaws, it means you have any type of problem, it means you have any type of error, we can say. You are lacking somewhere, you are just losing something. So if someone is criticizing you, if someone is underestimating you, that you are not good, you are not enough knowledgeable, okay, if someone is just judging you like you are not good, you are not enough knowledgeable, so just work upon yourself, and then you can use your social media in a good way, right? So first of all, try to know where you are lacking, okay? If people are just making you if people are just making you feel like you are not enough knowledgeable, you are not enough educated, you are not enough confident, so just work upon yourself, and in that way you can use your social media in a right way. You will not distract, you will not get addiction, bad addiction. You will be very focused at that time, and you will focus on yourself, and once you will know about yourself, who you are actually, you will never look back again, okay? So first of all, try to know who you are. I mean, just try to know first of all what why people are criticizing you, and when people are just criticizing, just work upon yourself, and when you will work upon yourself, then you can use your social media in a good way, in a right way, right? So in this way you can speak, you can learn anything, you can whatever you want to learn, not only English language, but anything, whatever you want to learn, you can learn, right? So this thing I just wanted to say, okay? So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you may have learned some of the things from here. So thank you for watching.